everyone. Today I am doing the Mazda 3 2008. Common problem, the ABS light is on. Sometime in the starting the ABS light is go on and then off, sometime on, sometime off, and traction control light is on. And if you diagnose the car, you can get the code like this is the code coming here, C0020 pump motor controller. Pump motor controller faulty, ABS low voltage. That's the common problems is coming in the system. And if you have like this type of problem, and we can fix your problem if you bring the car to us, we will take it out, repair it and put back, and car will be ready like 3 to 4 hours, and we do complete job. Or you will bring the ABS pump to us, we can repair it in like 2 hours, and the car will be ready on same day. So this is a very common problem in Mazda. We repair all type of ECUs. My name is Terry and my phone number is 07402536382. We are in Hounslow near Heathrow. So my postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango. You can contact me on WhatsApp, email, and call me anytime, book with me, and we can do your job. Thanks for watching. We repair all type of ECUs, a gearbox, Megatronic unit, DSG units, and 722793. So you have any query like that, you can contact us. Thanks for watching.